Now I am going to tell you a story of what is independence. It was around 8 o'clock in the morning. There was a little boy called Bunty. Was fast asleep. Next to him was his sister Bubble. They both were fast asleep. Suddenly their parents, Mr. Kapoor and Mrs. Kapoor, came there. They were dressed up with beautiful tricolor cap. They held a delicious tricolor cake in the hand. They said, "Hello Bunty, Bubble, wake up, wake up." They went into the room and said, "Wake up little ones, today is 15th August and it's our Independence Day. So happy Independence Day both of you." Bunty and Bubble got up and yawning. Surprised to see Mama and Papa wearing tricolor dress, both Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor said, "Today is Independence Day. Do you know what is independence?" Bunty and Bubble said, "No. Independence means you can do anything as your own without anybody's help. See, famous leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajaji and Kamarajar fought with British people and got freedom. So now we are independent." A great salute for the leaders. Bunty and Bubble understand the meaning of independence and they decided to do all work by themselves. Mama and Papa said, "Come on, dress up. It's time to go for celebration. Now we are in pandemic situation. Our school are going celebration Independence Day. Through online various programs are going to be conducted. Let's join and enjoy the day. Friends, hereafter you do all work by ourselves like Bunty and Bubble." I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
नमस्ते, मैं जिन्हें 5वीं कक्षा से सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। मैं आप सबके समक्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर मेरे कुछ विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। क्या समझोगे तुम? इस युग में प्राण गंवाने का डर क्या था? क्या समझोगे तुम? मरकर भी अमर होने का आनंद क्या था? आजादी के पहले सूरज तो उगता था, पर सभी घर में अंधेरा था। आज बेकसूर को अंग्रेज अपना निशाना बनाते। चाहे बच्चे, अब बूढ़े, आज जवान अपना प्राण गंवाते। धीरे धीरे आक्रोश बढ़ा, सबके सर में क्रोध चढ़ा, सभी आंदोलन में भाग लिया। बहुत हो गया तानाशाही, अब हमारे देश को वापस पाना था। साम दान ठंड भेद, चाहे जो हथियार अपनाना था। महात्मा गांधी के इस रास्ते पर चलकर अहिंसा को अपनाया और अंग्रेजों को खदेड़ दिया। इस तारीख को सुनहरे अक्षरों में गरवाया। इसी दिन स्वतंत्रता दिवस 15 अगस्त कहलाया। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
Good morning everyone. My name is Sana. I am studying first standard section. Today I am going to say life history of Mahatma Gandhi through my puppets. Come on, let's we go. My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, lovably called as Bapu. I was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. During my childhood, I was greatly influenced by the honesty and strict discipline of my father Karamchand Gandhi and by the simplicity, religious thought of my mother Putri Boy. Stories such as Satya Harchandra highly influenced me to lead disciplined life. At the age of 19, I went to England to become a lawyer. After returning to India, I began to practice law in Bombay, but I achieved little success. At the age of 24, I received an offer to work for a film in South Africa, and I have accepted it. While I was traveling in a train to Pretoria, an European passenger entered into the compartment and found me. He complained to the station master, "Take this bully out and put him in a lower class." I told him that I had a first class ticket, but nobody heard me and I was fired out of the train. This is the wake-up call for me to fight against the suppression. I found a way called Satyagraha, the force of truth. In 1915, while I came back to India, the country was under the rule of British. I have immediately joined the freedom movement and called for Swaraj. I have emphasized non-violence and non-cooperation against the British. In 1921, I became the leader of Indian National Congress. In 1930, British government imposed a tax on salt. So I took 400-kilometer march to a seashore called Dundee. There I met. In 1930, British government imposed a tax on salt. So I took 400-kilometer march to a seashore called Dundee. There I made salt with my own hands to show my protest against the evil tax. I have encouraged the use of homemade khadi to an instrument, charkha. Khadi was an act of rebellion against the foreign made clothes. In 1942, I have started Quit India movement. Finally, the British understood that it would not be possible to rule India. Decided to go back to their own country. Our country got independence on August 15, 1947. On January 30, 1948, I was gunshot by Hindu nationalist Nathuram Godse. I am no more to lead a nation, but my principles and character will always show best way for leaders to follow. My life is my message. Hey Ram! I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I am Rogita Tripi. Now I am going to dance. This dance was dedicated to all freedom fighters and leaders. Happy Independence Day.
respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is J. Harshan. I am here today to speak about Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a greatest leader of India. Subhash Chandra Bose was famous by the name of Netaji. He gave up life for his motherland. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Subhash Chandra Bose's father was a famous lawyer. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student who scored the second position in the matriculation exam. He coined the term of Jahand. That it is believed he died in a plane crash. Jai Hind. Thank you.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் நா. சங்கரி. நான் 4ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவில் படிக்கின்றேன். இப்பொழுது நான் பாட வந்துள்ளேன். என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், என்று மடியும் எங்கள் அடிமையின் மோகம், என்று மடியும் எங்கள் அடிமையின் மோகம், என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், என்ற மதன்னை கை விலங்குகள் போகும், என்ற மதன்னை கை விலங்குகள் போகும், என்ற மதின்னன்கள் தீந்து பொய்யாகும், என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், பஞ்சமும் நோயும் நின் மெய்யடியார்கோ பாரினின் மேன்மைகள் வேணியார்கோ, பஞ்சமும் நோயும் நின் மெய்யடியார்கோ பாரினின் மேன்மைகள் வேணியார்கோ, தஞ்சமடைந்த பின் கைவிடலாமோ, தஞ்சமடைந்த பின் கைவிடலாமோ, தாயுனன் குழந்தையை தள்ளிடப் போமோ, தாயுனன் குழந்தையை தள்ளிடப் போமோ, என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், என்று மடியும் எங்கள் அடிமையின் மோகம், சுதந்திர தாகம்.